It is such a relaxing day watching TV with my boxhead brother. We're watching the Squid
I don't want to watch
Games.
TV with you, bro. I don't even want to watch it. Like, I don't even want to watch it, bro.
Okay, then I'll cover your eyes while I watch it. And you don't have any ears, so it's not really a big deal. Whoa, a phone call's happening. We have to transfer. Help, we need you to help save Proboscis monkeys in Borneo, the Bornean rainforest. And fun fact, Proboscis monkeys are only found in Borneo, nowhere else because they so endangered. I mean, like these streets, in case streets is an offensive word to endangered animals because they take up the habitat. These habitats are hard. Anyway, I'm gonna go on cupcake break while you save the monkeys. Bye. We're gonna be going into the portal, so take the eyes off so Buddy can see where we're going, and woo!
Wild Hollands, nurturing all breeds of dogs. Wild Hollands, running away from wild hogs. Wild Hollands, saving all species of frogs. Wild Hollands, yeah. Alrighty, so first I'm gonna zap Cyrano, the Proboscis monkey, and Jimmy, the Proboscis monkey, Fishy Feeder, the Gharial, false Gharial. And just, Jimmy's the dad, Cyrano's the kid, so let's do it. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road. Alrighty, time to turn it back to normal. Hey, portal, open up.
Woo! Alrighty, that's the end of this episode. To learn more about cool animals, continue watching the series while